Hey guys, this is Gaming with Oreo back. Today I'm going to make a review on the Tesla Roadster in Car Dealership Tycoon. So first let's do the highway race. And yeah, looks like two people are already there. Let's do the highway race. First let's do one laps. And yeah, they voted. Looks like it's a Lamborghini Huracan and there's a Porsche also looks like. Yeah, now let's go. I guess I am going to win because this car actually is pretty fast and its top speed is 200 miles per hour actually. Oh, they are so back. I just went so far. I'm so front. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. No, 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 no. I crashed. Ah, I crashed. Oh, they went in front of me. No, the Porsche. I have to catch up to them right now. I see the Porsche. I'm seeing the Porsche. I'm going, I'm going, I'm going. So close. Yeah, I went. I don't know why the Lamborghini stopped. Oh, the Porsche! I have to cross the Porsche. Yes, I crossed the Porsche. I'm first position now. The speed is 200. Actually, very good. Actually, for its price, it's just 700,000. You can grind for it easily. Just keep on grinding in races, in these highway races like those, and you can just get 700,000 by it. Actually, pretty good for its price. And yes, it's accelerating very fast also. Oh, I see the Porsche behind me. And 200 miles per hour. Yes. Let's go. I won. Fine. I won. I crashed, but I won. Looks like the Porsche also came. I don't know where did the Lamborghini go. I think it just disappeared. Now let's do the drag race. The Lamborghini just went somewhere. I don't know. Just disappeared. Let's do the drag race with the Porsche. Of course, I'm going to win. It just goes like so fast. It's like, meow. So just going to full speed is going to go. Drag race 4, 3, 2, and 1. Yes, it started. I think I'm going to finish it pretty fast. 3, 2, 1, and go. Oh, is the rest right? I just put the Porsche in dust and just went off. Whoa, I already won. Speed 200.28. Finished it pretty fast. Looks like the Porsche just went full speed right there and crashed. Now let's go to the city race. City race. Let's see, is the Porsche coming? Yeah, the Porsche is coming, I guess. Yeah, it came and here. Yeah, I started. I'll wait for the Porsche. Is it coming? Oh, looks like the Porsche crashed. Where is it? Yeah, it's coming. I want to race with it. And yep, it came. Looks like it got crashed there. Yeah. Now let's do the city race. I think will not be that good in the city race because as you can see, it can go like that, like that, like that, like that. It's actually pretty complicated. It's hard to do like that. It's hard to do the city race. It's pretty hard because it's actually accelerates very fast and it's top speed. Now, if you go very fast, you can just crash into those huge buildings. Let's do one lap. Yep, even the Porsche voted. So let's do it. 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's go. I think I'm going to lose in this because the Porsche has less speed. It's actually pretty good with less speed. Oh, I accelerate in front of it and I have to turn here. It actually has very good handling. Ah! Oh my god, I just slowed down. It has pretty good handling also. It has 9 point. Oh my god. I was about to tell it has 9.1 handling, but I crashed. Thank god I'm not able to see the Porsche. The Porsche is not going to take over me. I just keep on hitting everything. And I think from here it'll be easy just turning. We have to don't do full big turns. It's just curved turns. And straight there. And there. I think this is the last part, I guess. Yes, we won. Let's go in 43 seconds. Let's look at 43 seconds. Actually, pretty good right now. Where's the Porsche gone? Huh? The Porsche was right here, right? Anyway, the Porsche just disappeared like that. Lol, even the Porsche disappeared like the Lamborghini also. Now let's go to the. I'll go to the circuit race and try it out. Where's the beach? Yeah, the beach is here. I'll go to the circuit race. Circuit race. Yes, circuit race. It's right here. I crashed. And there, yes. Yeah, the circuit race is right there. I guess I'll do it alone because even the Porsche and the Lamborghini just disappeared like that. I don't know where they went. And circuit race. Ah, I crashed. Oh, looks like the Porsche came. Oh, it again crashed. Good, the Porsche came. I'll wait for the Porsche. It's right there. I don't know whether just the Lamborghini just disappeared. And yeah, let's start it. Let's do one laps. Yeah, even the Porsche voted for one laps. Hmm. Yeah. I don't know why it takes like 20, 22 seconds. And then let the Porsche be there. I'll just be moving around here. I'll just be moving around. Let the Porsche be right there. Just keep on moving around. I went to front. Yes, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Yes. Race in progress. Yes. I'm in second position right now. Saying is one lap. Let's see. I think it's not going to do that good in it. Uh, I crashed. Oh no, the Porsche is coming. I have to go fast. It's so hard to control such a fast car, and the two accelerate is so fast. It's so hard to control. Ah, 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 ah. So fast. And I'll just do that, and that. I again crashed and keep on crashing. There's a Porsche. The Porsche is not near. Ah, ah, ah. Oh no, the Porsche. Great, I came second. I lost in this race because it's actually very hard. Now let's go to the drag race. Where's the drag race? Oh, it's right here. I'll just go here. Yeah, it's right here. Looks like the Porsche also wants to come with me. Where is it? Yep, right here, the drag race. Drag race. The Porsche is also following me to the drag race. And right here, yes, this is also like the same drag race which is in the street race. There's a Porsche. Yeah, the Porsche is coming. I think it's like the same in the street race. Also, there's a drag race. I think same like that, but you can choose how far it is like that. I think we're going to spawn all the way over there. Yeah, we spawn in this parking lot. I'm going to win obviously. It's so fast, and the Porsche is way back, and I'm just going. The Porsche is getting more farther and farther, and yes, I won. Oh, just 10 seconds I finished it. Literally just 10 seconds. Now let's go to the off-road race. Looks like the Porsche finished. Let's go to the off-road race. I'm gonna go to the off-road race. Is the Porsche coming with me? Wait, let me see. Yeah, the Porsche is also coming with me. Off-road race. Yes, right here, I guess. Near there. Not there, not there, not there. Right here, yeah. Whoa! There's a Veneno. It just came out of nowhere. Looks like the Veneno also wants to race with us. And let's go. A Veneno just came out of nowhere. I don't know where the Veneno. I don't know how the Veneno came here. I guess the Veneno is not going to race with us in the off-road race. Yeah, we came to the off-road race. Where's the Porsche? Huh? Where did the Porsche go? The Porsche was following us. Yeah, right there. I think the Lamborghini Veneno is not going to come. Let's just wait some 2-3 seconds. Whoa. Looks like he got out of the car. Oh, he spawned a Lamborghini Cockroach. It actually sounds like cockroach. Lol. And yeah, let's start it. Let's do one laps. I don't know why he spawned that car. I think he's good at this. I don't know. My Tesla is going to be so terrible in this race. I'll just be again going front and back. My Tesla will be so terrible at this race. Yes, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2, and 1. Yes, let's go. I think I'm going to lose because it has very low wheels. It's not going to go that good in off-road. I'm just going on the bumps. It was so skiddy. Yeah, almost fell in the muddy water. Oh, oh no, 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 no. Yes, yes, yes. Oh no, it's right there. Ah! I just flipped over. No, 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 no. Faster, faster, faster on these things. Let's go. We won. Somehow we won in the with the Lamborghini. So, guys, thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe this video. Looks like he's jumping around, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway in this. Whoever tells me and puts their username first in the comments down below, I want to be donating them 50,000 sorry, $100,000 I'm going to be giving them. That's the giveaway I'm going to be doing, and make sure you win the giveaway. There'll be a friend request from the person called underscore magic. You have to accept it. Whenever you play any game, I'll just join you and ask you to uh, join this game, and I'll be donating you 100,000, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.